So we got a no cool call here on this split system air conditioning unit. First thing I check, I get my meter out, check for 240 on the top of the contactor. There, I got 240. Okay, so we have power at the contactor. Next thing I'm going to check is control voltage at the contactor. So one on each side of the relay, and I have no power. Okay, no 24 volts. So it would appear there's a no call for cool. So next step would be go check the thermostat, make sure you're in a call for cool. I already did that, we are. Next thing I'm going to do is check for 24 volts to ground. So I'm going to take one leg and just stick it to ground right there. And I have 27 volts on one side and 27 on the other side. Now this is tricky because most techs think like, oh, I've got 27, it's a bad contactor. That's not the case here. What the case is on this call is there's an open somewhere in the circuit, and I'll take you a little closer so you can see what I'm talking about. So we have no control voltage at the contactor. We do have line voltage. The next thing to check would be any open safeties in the circuit, and there's a high pressure switch here which I haven't yet touched, but I think as soon as I touch that it's gonna come on. And if this is a manual reset, if I push this button, there it goes. Now we're running. And look at that. Condenser fan will not turn. If I do yesterday's trick, get it going by hand, this baby runs like a dream. So, there's that. Next step would be check the capacitor